So, I think you are ready for today's session.
Yes, sir.
As it is Saturday, speaking day. So, topic for the students of B20 is the migration of birds, and you know very well after reading about it. So, you know what is migration and why do birds migrate? From there, do they migrate, and to which places they migrate, and why they migrate? So, this is very simple topic for you because you have much knowledge about it after reading the passage or after getting information from Google. And for the students of B23, you have rather comparatively easy topic. And today you have to speak about your friend. So, and I think all the students of B20 are able to speak on the migration of birds. So I would like you to give your names in the message box. And it is very good that I have got the first name of Rakshit from B20, and then Aditya, then Anuj, Lakshmi. Very good. And likewise, the students of B23 are expected to give their names in the message box. So, okay, my dear ones, we are starting today's session with Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the migration of birds. So, as we know that birds are the creatures who fly in the sky, and as they have this ability, they migrate from one place to another every year. For many purposes, and the big one of the biggest purposes, and many purposes are just like for shelter, for food, water, and for warmth. So, for mainly these purposes, they migrate from one place to another, and we know that, it is a mystery that how they migrate from one place to another. No one knows about it, and birds migrate from one place to another. Then after some months, they come back to the same place, and anyone don't know how they comes to the same place after migrating. So it is a mystery, and we know that when there is too much cold in the northern places of the earth, such as Europe
Yes, yes.
and in the north of Asia, etc. Birds migrate from that places to our southern places of Asia as to get warmth, and they stay for many months, for some months here. And when there comes winters at the southern places of Asia and Africa, so the birds again migrate from Asia and Africa to Europe and north places of Asia. So this is the way of migration of birds mostly, and and then and in the way of migration, and you can say in the journey of migration, birds go over hills, birds travel over hills, forests, deserts, and many places, and they also experience many hardships there, like sudden storms come in their way, that who that resist which resist them from their migrating journey. And uh, and also th- and also there are many wind waves break their flow of migration. and at night, most of the hardships they get at night, like there are storms, wind waves, and there are also bright lights over which they fly, and they get attracted and confused by the bright lights, and eventually their speed of migration gets decreased at the night due to the bright lights. And it is found it is found that mostly the migration speed of birds is from 48 kilometer per hour to 64 kilometer per hour, but sometimes it exceeds at 84 kilometer per hour also. And so this is the journey of birds, which is a hidden fact, that how they migrate from one place to another. And that's it, sir.
Very good. Nice flow. Keep it up, beta. Shabash. And then I think the other name or the second name for today's session is Aditya from B20. Yes, come on, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. And my name is Aditya, and today's our topic is our migration of the birds. So, as you all know, that one of the greatest mysteries of the birds is life. Life is a of their migration, and always we see that in the sky, so many birds go. We see in the sky, and then every year during autumn and early winter, birds travel from northern regions of Asia, Europe, and America to the southern warmer lands. They make the return journey again during spring and early summer. And do you know why they do these things? Because when the summer will start in the other countries, like our India now, so much uh, hot temperature nowadays, and they come here to protect their feathers and other parts of their body to save the winter seasons, like. And then and at night bright and which and so many disaster they will face, like this, like the sometimes sudden storms arise and driving them far out of a curve. At night bright lights attract and confuse their birds, and they cannot fly at their fastest. The migration speed is usually from 48 to 64 kilometer an hour, and rarely exceeds 80. But we never can't so many, and there are so many other secrets of the birds which we don't know. And mm, sorry, they are very punctual unless they are delayed by bad weather.
भैया आप देख के तो नहीं बोल रहे हो?
नहीं सर, यार आपने जितना मैं ना, देखो मैं खुद थोड़ा अपने सेंटेंस बना रहा हूँ, थोड़ा आपने जो पढ़वाया था ना उसमें के ले रहा हूँ मैं,
तो
मेरे को
मुझे
याद
वही
नहीं।
आ रही है सारी चीजें बेटा, पूरा का पूरा वही आ रहा है, वही वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, वही सेंटेंसेस आ रहे हैं। कुछ गड़बड़ है तो गलत है, और कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है तो ठीक है, बोल बोल बोल।
सर
मैंने
एंड
भी खोल रखा है मैंने भी खोल रखा है वो भी पैसेज ना, तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये पूरा का पूरा सब कुछ वैसे ही आ रहा है। वो तभी आ सकता है जब या तो हमारा रटा हुआ हो या फिर हमने उसको देख करके बोल रहे हो। चलो कंटिन्यू करो आप।
नहीं सर एंड
मतलब पॉसिबल नहीं होता ना कि वैसा का वैसा ही आप बोल दें एकदम वर्ड टू वर्ड, वो दो ही पोजीशन में होता है। बोलो आगे बोलो।
and sometimes humans kill some rare birds which, and then they sold that birds in the national market, international market. and and I think yes, yesterday, about before 2 days, we learn about the Leonardo da Vinci. And then in that story I see the I see the problem of that birds. They humans sold that birds in the cages, and then some people buy the some people buy those birds, and then they don't open the cage and don't give the freedom of that bird. But Leonardo da Vinci give the freedom of that birds. So if anyone if anyone care any birds and any animal, so we can so they help in future. So you can't see you can't mm, uh, you can't identify that birds and animals, but they know you, and then they help you, and they and we can and when then we can learn the power of the friendship. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड बेटा चीटिंग कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए ध्यान रखना यस नाउ अनुज
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj, and today the top, hello everyone, my name is Anuj, and today the topic is migration of birds. So as we all know that every being on earth is itself a mystery, and it cannot be known 100 completely by of about anyone, like from humans to from animals or other beings. So today we are talking about the greatest mysteries, which is related to birds, that how they migrate from one place to another. So the question must be that why do they migrate? So it's simple that to live life long, they migrate because they sometimes they cannot live in colder lands, and they have to travel to the warmer lands. So every year during like early winter or autumn, they start their journey from southern regions of Asia, Europe, and America to the uh, no northern regions of Asia, Europe, and America to the southern regions. And in this journey, they uh, they are very punctual. Although they are not human, but still they are very punctual. So it's a blessing of nature for them, and they know how they do this. But the usual speed of them is like 48 to 64 kilometer per hour, and sometimes they travel individually, but most of the time we see from our rooftops that they are in loop, like one behind another. So this is how they travel, but this is not a this is not a miracle to know, but the miracle is that they travel uh, too long. They travel so much distances at once, and they are probably delayed by bad weather or like natural disasters, unfamiliar winds, to rainfall or others, and yeah. So and one of the best birds which cannot fly but that is counted in birds is penguin, and penguin can suffer the more and more minus of the temperatures, and this is the only bird that cannot fly, but uh, that is still counted in birds. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड ओके वेयर वर यू अनुज yesterday
Sir, I was stuck somewhere.
You were in Sanganer?
No, sir.
Huh?
Sir, कहीं था.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am somewhere, so may I leave the class?
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Lakshmi.
Good night, sir.
Come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, my topic is the migration of birds. As you know that the mystery of a bird is migration, and
The mystery of bird is not migration. Moving
Yes,
birds
sir.
from one place to another is called migration.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
And
Lakshmi? Yes.
every year, every birds from northern area usually come in southern area due to cold season, and they come from northern Asia, Europe, America, and to southern area, and during earlier winter they come from northern area, and they come in southern area to eat food, shelter, and warm to take warm, and they are punctual for their traveling, and sometimes some bad things happened, and some birds usually died in their journey, and
टेंस का ध्यान रखो, प्रेजेंट टेंस में आएगा.
yes,
Past
sir,
में नहीं आएगा,
and
future में. हाँ.
they face many hardships like forest, hills, and plains, and many disaster during their flying, and sometime bright lights attract them and confuse them, so they delay to reach their fixed place, and the migration of birds is like a mystery, because we can't know about it, why they how can they come, they go, and birds birds usually, the speed of birds usually is 48 to 64, and 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 exceed 80, and
Cannot exceed. Can't
and
exceed.
cannot yes, sir,
Can't
cannot
exceed.
exceed,
Uh,
and they come there to eat food and take warm, and they don't wear cloth, their cloth are their fur, and their fur protect them from many disasters, and sometime they delay during bad weather, so they reach late, and they are punctual, and they make their return journey in 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 earlier summer, because in the southern area was southern area has summer days, so they can't handle summer, and they return their journey in spring season, and earlier summer, and they are usually usually remain as the same condition, and they face a lot of problems whenever they come from a northern area. They always face many conditions, but they always come in southern area, and birds migration is is very important for them. That's it, sir.
Very good, very good. ठीक है बेटा. Yes, now आज खुशी नहीं है क्या?
सर यही पे है.
हैं? यही है? Okay, okay. So वैष्णवी, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and sir. And today's our topic is migration of birds. You know that first of all we should know the meaning of migration. Migration means move to one place to another, and if we said about the migration of birds, that some birds are from Central Asia, Europe, and America. So they feel very they feel very cold, so they have to come to the warmer southern places, and I want to explain an example, that we are from Rajasthan, and the Rajasthan is a very big state, and it is a very hot state. So if we want to go to such a colder places like Shimla, Manali, so we can go to the colder regions. So as it is, we can say that the birds that are from colder regions, so they move to the warmer places, and the migration, the mystery of birds is traveling, and they travel in the early in summer and spring season. I think it's summer or winter or autumn season, and they are very punctual, and because some of the reasons of bad weathers, they face a lot of circumstances like sudden storms, rain, and forest, hills, plains, etc. And they face a lot of bad weathers that I told you, and the summer, the summer bright lights at the night, while they're traveling, the lights confuse them, and the fox that comes in their eyes, they confuse very so much, and they can't they can't fly so fast, and the migration speed of the birds is 48 to 64 kilometer, and they can't run at 80 kilometers, really 80 kilometers, and so some of the reasons they can't reach their destination, that they come from a colder region or a maybe warmer region. So that the God has given us to their God has to given their feather to protect from bad situations and bad weathers. They protect them. So at last, I want to say that birds of the migration of the birds is traveling. So we should if we said that respect the birds and protect the birds also. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, ठीक है बेटा, very good. Just now खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. Myself, Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about migration of birds. Birds traveling one place to another place is a big mystery. birds move one birds move from one place, like cold place, to warm place. This movement is called migration. You know very well. In this journey, birds face many problems. Then then also, every year birds come in southern lands, and uh, in autumn and early in the winter, birds come south southern lands,
Come to
and
southern land.
come.
Okay, बोलो.
Yes. And they go back in spring and early summer. They face many problems, and they they fly they fly over hills, forest, and plants, etc. And they also cross the large of area of water. Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है बेटा.
And
Yes. मुझे लगा तुमने खत्म कर दिया.
sometime
बोलो. हाँ.
no, sir. And sometimes bad weather can delay them, and sometimes bright lights create many problems, like lights attract them and confuse them, and their normal speed is uh, 48 to 64 kilometer per hour, but really reach
Rarely.
speed.
बोलो.
Rarely. Yes, sir. Rarely speed reach 80 kilometers per hour. That's why, because of bright lights at night, that's why they can't fly faster at night, and uh, and sometimes they birds' journeys is a mystery, because the birds every years fly, because the birds start every year their journey.
They birds नहीं, the birds.
The birds.
Okay, बोलो.
That's it, sir.
हाँ बेटा, थोड़ा सा अभी आप इम्प्रूवमेंट थोड़ा सा लाओ बेटा, आपको है ना. हाँ, अभी बीच में तो बहुत अच्छा था, अभी पता नहीं आजकल क्या हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा इसको, है ना. Okay, yes, come on, Harsh. Harsh, where are you? I think he is not here. Come on, Anjali.
Sir, I am here, sir.
Then why? What is the matter, yaar?
Sir, mic on ही नहीं हो रहा था.
बोलो,
हाँ, सर, मैं आ गया.
कैमरे
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsha. Today I am going to tell you about migration. So, as we all know that one of the most beautiful and mysterious animals in the world are birds. And we cannot add birds as an animal, but they are like animal only. And the migration of birds is mainly the traveling of them from the hotter region to the colder region, in search food, water, and shelter, and live their life steadily. So for this, they always come from the northern region to the southern regions of the world, where they get foods. And one of the most famous migration place for the birds is uh, sir, sir, please name name a state in Rajasthan from B. Bharatpur
This is
Wildlife
not Bharatpur. Is
Sanctuary.
not a state. This is district. This is a place.
Yes, sir, sorry.
Rajasthan is a state. Yes.
Yes, sir, I forgot. So, Bharatpur Wildlife Sanctuary is a good example of migration of birds. So, during migration, the birds face a lot of difficulties. Like sometimes when they cross the large oceans, then the lighthouses made by humans affect their way by because when the light is used to navigate the waves to the seas. They disturb the navigation of the birds, which is harmful to them. And sometimes sudden storms, wind change, and many other natural phenomena causes them a lot trouble. So to avoid they cannot avoid these troubles. They need to face these hardships. But we don't know how they what is how they dodge these calamities, but they they do this, and this is also a mystery that how they do this. So mystery are to be solved, and one day the human will solve that.
Okay. Gaurav, I think Gaurav is absent today. Kalpana, and if Kalpana is not able to speak about migration of birds, she can speak about our friend.
Hello, sir.
Gaurav नहीं है क्या? And where is your name?
Hello.
Gaurav, I'm not able to get the name of Gaurav. Okay, yes, come on Gaurav. एक साथ लिख दिया ना, मुझे लगा
Yes,
गौरव की
sir.
आईडी है. Yes, come on Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav. Today's topic is about
अपना नाम
the
लिखो अपना.
journey of birds to the.
बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir. So, the journey of birds to the north, to the west,
हाँ.
to the north, to the west, and so this journey begins with the early winters. In the north, it's super cold there because in winters it's always cold there, and you know that what will happen. So to survive, they migrate. Or I will not say migrate, but they temporary leave that place and make a long and start a long dangerous journey towards the southern lands because in the winters there is some warmth there, like it's more than the warmth in the north, but also they face many obstacles in their way, like when they're flying over the oceans, there are many storms and windy and super fast winds. And when they are flying above some cities, they get distracted by the lights, the radio signals, the radio wave, and all the traffic noises. But some survive, some can't, some couldn't. But then they, but even after that, they face many more obstacles, like passing through wires, like passing through wires, and also other physical obstacles. Then, after a very long journey, they finally reach the southern lands, and they spend their whole winter and spring there. Then, in summers, early summers, they uh, they migrate. They then start a journey towards their home, the northern land, and the same obstacles, the same cycle repeats again. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Come on Anjali. Yes, आओ बेटा. Come on Anjali. I think she is not connected. Okay. Hurry up Anjali.
So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is beginning. So audible now? Okay.
First, your face is not visible properly, and then
So
your voice is not okay. Make it okay like Gaurav. Hurry up. Come on, beta. Bolo, beta. हाँ. And if you are not able to speak on the same topic, you can speak about your friend.
during autumn or yearly winters, so would go and travel to a northern regions to south regions for warm,
Hmm.
and they return their journey during spring and early summer.
Hmm.
They are delayed by weather and facing many dangerous obstacles like wires, hills, sandstorm, and sometimes some birds couldn't take couldn't survive and they gone, and some who survived and go to their motherland, they repeat the cycle.
Hmm.
Go to seas where they can't even see there's water in plants sometimes, so they can't even rest it.
Hmm.
So sometimes they can't rest, so they don't even having like nothing to rest, or there is no nothing to stand on that rest.
Hmm.
So they got tired and gone. And who can survive it? Who but survived it? Go to their mother land or home. So that's it, sir.
Okay. Yes. Kalpana, I think she has gone. Yes, now come on, Ronak from B23. आ जा बेटा.
Sir?
आ जाओ.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
बार बार मत बोलो, क्लास में मत बोला करो. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Good evening. My name is Ronak Berwa. I am a student of Ramban English Interactive Classes. Today I am speaking about my friend. My friend's name is Kajal Berwa. She is about 22 years. She is preparing for the NEET exam. She lives in Durgapura. She gets up early in the morning. She goes for the morning walk. She prepares breakfast for her family.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. Very good. हाँ.
After that, after that we both go to the library at 7 a.m. We comes we come back at 7 p.m. from library. She is very beautiful. She helps all. She respects her elder. She watches she watches on Doraemon.
शाबाश, बोलते जाओ, घबराओ मत. कोई मत
Her
डरो,
phone.
बिल्कुल मत डरो, बोलते जाओ बस. हाँ. आर्यन नाम लिखो अपना.
She loves me. She takes tea and sandwich in the breakfast. She is nice. Her behavior are very good.
Is very good.
Is very good. He is very intelligent. We share we share lunch and do homework.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे आराम से बोलो, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी।
We share feelings, emotions, and happiness with each other. She helps me. She helps me when I don't go to college. She likes studies. She writes a diary. The name of his diary, City. She sleeps at 11 p.m. She loves me and I also love her. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बात। बस कोई डरो मत करो बिल्कुल बेटा, है ना? हाँ, बिल्कुल कीप इट अप, शाबाश। इसका नाम काजल। हाँ बेटा।
Hello everyone. My name is Kajal Bhairwa. I study in Ramban classes. Today's my topic, my friend.
आराम से, धीरे धीरे।
My friend.
हाँ।
Okay, sir. My friend's name is Shanu Tanwar. She is about 17 years old. She wears a simple clothes like frock and shirt. She wears chashma. She lives in Jaipur. She takes in breakfast milk and bread. She go to morning walk daily. She read newspaper daily. She watches TV. She does not use mobile phone. She is good communication. We go to school together.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे बोलते रहो बस। हाँ।
She helps in all programs. She is a need and true friend. She goes to temple every Tuesday. She participates in the school's all programs. She likes grow mini plants. She gets up at 6 a.m. and she sleeps at 11 p.m. We both eat food lunch together. And her nature and behavior are good. Her favorite subject is mathematics. Her dream is become business woman. her likes travel different places.
She likes.
She likes uh, travel different places.
Hmm.
She has a new job. She is very intelligent.
Hmm.
She like she likes rain.
Hmm.
I'm proud of my friend. That's it.
वेरी गुड. घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, है ना. घबराओगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. कल आपको हमने किस टॉपिक पे बुलवाया था काजल?
कल
हम्म.
my father.
ओके, ठीक है. यस, कम ऑन आरुषि.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today's my topic, my friend. My friend's name is Jitika. She is 11 years old. She is my best friend. She wakes up at 7 a.m.,
Hmm.
gets ready for school.
Hmm.
She is kind and helpful.
Hmm.
He comes to school by bus.
Hmm.
We study in the same class.
Hmm.
She always completes her homework on time.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश. शाबाश बेटा. ऐसे बोलो
She
धीरे धीरे
takes
तसल्ली से. हाँ.
she takes tea and bread for in breakfast.
Hmm.
She watches TV.
Hmm.
She is very beautiful.
Hmm. Hmm.
She respects her teachers and elders.
वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो तसल्ली से, धीरे धीरे आराम से. शाबाश बेटा.
We play together, share our lunch.
एंड शेयर आवर लंच. कनेक्टिव लगाओ. एंड आगे बोलो. Hmm.
She always support me and encourages me to do my best.
Hmm.
She sleeps at 10 p.m.
Hmm.
She is hardworking.
वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से. शाबाश. Hmm.
She is politely.
पोलाइटली नहीं, पोलाइट. Hmm.
She is punctual.
वेरी गुड. Hmm.
I am proud of her.
Hmm. वेरी गुड.
She wears simple clothes.
शाबाश बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. कब ऐसे बोलो बस, धीरे 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 तसल्ली से. Hmm.
Helps me in my
She helps
studies.
me. पूरा सेंटेंस बोला करो.
Helps me
She
in my
helps
studies.
me. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? पूरा सेंटेंस बोलो.
She helps me in my studies
हाँ.
whenever I need help.
शाबाश. हाँ, वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
She takes dinner.
Hmm.
I feel lucky and proud.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, Aditya. ऐसे धीरे धीरे
Yes,
तसल्ली से
sir.
बोला करो. हाँ, yes.
My friend, I have many friends. All friends then are good, but Tapas is my best friend. We are friends since your childhood. Tapas is a tall and good looking boy.
मतलब
वो तापस एक लंबा और सुंदर लड़का है।
तो गुड लुकिंग का मतलब क्या हुआ?
सर वो गुड लुकिंग मतलब अच्छा लड़का।
अच्छा तो आप तो सुंदर
गुड
बोल
लुक
रहे हो, याद करके बोल रहे हो क्या?
नो सर।
हाँ बोलो, मुझे लगता है कभी कभी ऐसा बोलो, याद करके मत बोलना कभी भी, पैसे वैसे सब बेकार हो जाएंगे तुम्हारे। हाँ
सर यार दूसरा लिख रखा है।
मुझे लगता है कभी कभी तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज देख के पता चल जाता है ना बेटा, हमारे को भी थोड़ा सा, हम भी समझते हैं। बोलो अपना, बोलो जो भी बोलो, याद करके बोल रहे हो तो बेकार है, फिर क्लास नहीं है आपके लिए। बोलो आगे बोलो बेटा। कोई भी अगर याद करके बोल रहा है, देख के बोल रहा है, तो उसको क्लास छोड़ देनी चाहिए बेटा। यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मनी। बोलो आगे बोलो बेटा।
He is also very kind and helpful.
हाँ जो बोलो अपना बोलो बस।
We live in the same society. He often comes to my house and helps me with my studies.
ओके वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
He always helps the weak students.
वेरी गुड।
I really feel lucky to have him as my friend.
असली एज माय फ्रेंड। हाँ बोलते रहो।
May God give everyone a friend
मतलब क्या हुआ
like
इसका?
Tapas. तो इसका मतलब वो भगवान करे ही हर किसी को तापस जैसा मित्र मिले।
तो ये मैं क्यों लगाया आपने पहले?
तो मैं
क्यों लगाया मैं पहले आपने? बनाया है आपने सेंटेंस या वैसे याद था बोल दिया?
नहीं सर बनाया है।
तो बनाओ, कैसे बनाया आपने? मैं क्यों लगाया पहले बताओ।
यस सर।
बताओ, जवाब दो। बताओ बेटा बताओ, बनाया है तो बताओ क्यों लगाया फिर मैंने तो सिखाया नहीं आपको अभी ये। बताओ क्यों लगाया आपने मैं?
सर
शायद तो बोला ही नहीं आपने, हिंदी में शायद कहाँ आ रहा है? बोलो।
यस सर।
कहाँ से आ रहा है? शायद तो आ ही नहीं रहा हिंदी में तुम्हारा। भगवान करे सबको ऐसा मित्र, भगवान करे सबको ऐसा मित्र मिले, तो शायद कहाँ आया है इसमें? आप कह रहे हो मे का मतलब शायद होता है, तो शायद आ कहाँ रहा है तुम्हारे सेंटेंस में? जवाब दो,
यस सर।
बताओ। कैमरा चालू रखो अपना। अब बताओ, ये देख के बोला है आपने या याद किया हुआ था, क्या है बताओ, अब समझाओ। या फिर मुझे बताओ कि मे को आपने क्यों लगाया, और लगाया तो पहले क्यों लगाया? जवाब दो। आपने अगर बनाया है तो बेटा बोलो बोलो। नहीं है जवाब? फिर कैसे? अब बताओ, क्लियर तो करो मेरे को आप। आपने सेंटेंस बनाया कैसे? आप कह रहे हो मैंने खुद ने बनाया है, ये कैसे बनाया? मैं कैसे लगाया? बताओ। शायद तो आ नहीं रहा बेटा हिंदी में, तो सेंटेंस में आपका जो सेंटेंस है उसमें शायद तो कोई आ ही नहीं रहा। बताओ, जवाब दो।
सर एक बार सही करके बोलूं?
नहीं, आपने बोला कैसे ये सेंटेंस? ये पहले तो ये बताओ। आप सही है सेंटेंस तो आपका, सही करके क्या बोलोगे? सेंटेंस तो बिल्कुल सही है आपका, सेंटेंस तो सही है आपका, और क्या सही करोगे इसको? ये बताओ आप तो मेरे को बेटा, बोल बेटा। सेंटेंस तो सही है बेटा, सेंटेंस गलत थोड़ी है। सेंटेंस गलत थोड़ी है आपका। आगे बोलो और सोचो आप, कैसे बोला आपने सेंटेंस, ये सोचना अब। और झूठ मत बोला करो बिल्कुल भी, पहले भी समझा चुका हूँ एक बार
सर
मैं आपको। आगे बोलो अब। आप याद
सर
किया
इतना
हुआ
ही
बोल
नहीं।
रहे हो, बैठ करके आपने याद किया है, उसको रटाया, फिर बोल रहे हो आप। आगे बोलो अब।
सर
अब बोलो आप आगे।
सर इतना ही था।
इतना ही था? अब सोचना जरा, वो सेंटेंस कहाँ से आया था? याद किया था या क्या देख के बोल रहे हो?
सर याद नहीं किया था।
तो फिर देख के बोल रहे हो?
हाँ सर।
तो फिर क्या मेरे को बता ही नहीं पाए आप तो कि भाई ये क्या, कैसे आपने इसको बनाया सेंटेंस को? जाने से क्या होगा? क्लास छोड़ने से क्या होगा? हमेशा के लिए छोड़ दो बेटा, छोड़ने से क्या होगा? हाँ, बताओ, जवाब दो। सेंटेंस तो सही है आपका, फिर जवाब दो बेटा। सेंटेंस गलत होता तो मैं कुछ अलग समझता। कई चीजें आपने ऐसी बोली हैं बेटा, फिर से कह रहा हूं मैं आपको। आप अगर याद करके बोल रहे हो, आप देख के बोल रहे हो, तो खुद को धोखा दे रहे हो, मेरे को नहीं दे रहे हो आप। मैं आपकी मम्मी को भी कह दूंगा ये बात, अपनी मम्मी से बात करवा देना मेरी। मेरे को धोखा नहीं दे पाओगे बेटा आप, अपने स्कूल के टीचर्स को दे दोगे, मेरे को धोखा नहीं दे पाओगे आप। कम ऑन आर्यन, हमें पता चलता है
Yes,
जब
sir.
आप बोलते हो तो, हमें पता है आपका लेवल क्या है, कितना आप बोल सकते हो। हाँ बोल बेटा यारन।
My name is Aryan and my today's topic is about my friend. My friend name is Samar Gujar.
हाँ
His age about 12 years old and he study in class 8.
हाँ
He wakes up at 9 o'clock and sleeps at 7 o'clock.
हाँ, शाबाश, आराम से बोलो बेटा।
He eats sandwich and poha and breakfast. He eats
आदित्य अपनी मम्मी से बात करवाना अभी क्लास खत्म होने के बाद। हाँ बोलो बेटा।
he eats
बोलो बोलो, कोशिश करो बेटा, सोचो।
he lives nearby me.
सोचो, सोच नहीं पा रहे हो आप।
We goes to Jawahar Circle. We both go to Jawahar Circle daily at
शाबाश,
evening.
हाँ वेरी गुड। सोचो, सोचना तो पड़ेगा।
with
हाँ।
with cycle,
हम्म,
and his hobby is playing. Uh, his hobby is playing
हम्म,
cricket,
हम्म।
and he have a cycle.
हैज ही के साथ हैज। हम्म,
He has a cycle.
हम्म।
In his family there are 3 members.
हाँ, सोचो, बस सोचना तो पड़ेगा बेटा, दिमाग चलाओ अपना। हाँ।
His height about 5 foot and 3 inch.
हम्म, शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, कोशिश करो।
He goes to tuition.
हम्म, इंग्लिश नहीं बना पा रहे हो या सोच नहीं पा रहे हो?
His mother's name is Anita Gujar,
हाँ, ओके, वेरी गुड, कोशिश करो। हाँ,
and now he lives on rent.
हाँ,
He is a good person and he helps everyone.
हम्म, शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ,
But he comes in school at first place.
हम्म,
He is an intelligent boy.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। बोलो बेटा
In his school, he have many friends.
हैज, नॉट हैव।
He has he has many friends. He is
हार्ड वर्किंग।
He is hardworking.
बोल बेटा।
He is like a mood changer. He watch TV at night.
कोशिश करो, शाबाश
He
शाबाश।
watch anime on TV.
कोशिश करो बेटा। हाँ,
He wear T-shirt and lower.
ओके, बस ऐसी कोशिश करो बेटा। हाँ चलो, और कोई? अन्नू, यस कम ऑन अन्नू।
Sir, what is the topic?
माइग्रेशन ऑफ बर्ड्स। आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी, आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, माइक बंद है।
So now I am telling about migration of birds. As you know that birds also need need cool weather, hot weather, and rainy season like us. That in the hot weather we on AC cooler fans, so they don't have AC cooler or fans, so they go to the to a colder place of that area or that place in rainy season, like in
winter season, not in rainy season.
in cold weather we want hot things such as heater and anything else. So they also want some water place, so they go to if they live places such Himalayas or that to when cold comes, they go to the places like Mumbai or the northwest part of India or any other country. So like that, the migration of bird meaning. So that's it.
ओके बेटा, छुट्टी कम करो बेटा, नए नए टॉपिक्स हो रहे हैं ग्रामर में। बात करवा दो बेटा एक बार जरा पापा से।